Hunting. Younger males will go out and hunt, but the older, more dominant males will rarely, if ever, hunt. And they also do pretty much all of the cub raising, which leaves about 10% of the work for the males. So their job basically involves sitting there and looking pretty, making babies, and protecting the pride from rival males, which is actually quite an important job in itself. You see, if a rival male comes along and manages to chase away the dominant male of that pride, this new male then goes about all the females and knocks off their cubs. It sounds horrible, but the reason the male does this is that it brings the females into season a lot quicker, and then he can start breeding and raising his own cubs. It's a waste of this new male's time and energy to be raising the cubs of another lion. Lions aren't really concerned about survival of the species. Their only concern is survival of their genes into the next generation. As with most animals, really, it's really only humans that are the exception to the rule. And as I said, it's only the males with the big bushy mane. There's a couple of uses for this mane. Firstly, the bigger and darker the mane, the more attractive they are to the ladies. Secondly, though, and more importantly, it serves as protection when they get into fights with rival males. You see that mane is so incredibly thick that if another male comes along, gets into a fight and say bites down onto the mane, the one that's being bitten wouldn't really be able to feel too much. I'd feel a bit, but not as much as if he was just being bitten on bare skin. And can still twist around and bite the other male back. It's sort of the same concept as the Sharpei, those Chinese fighting dogs with all the excess skin. Of course, instead of excess skin, no, they have excess fur. Now, Renee's only probably about 5'8", maybe 5'9". Oh, wow. And towers over her. I'm about 6'3", and he still towers over me, so that you get an idea of just how big an animal they are.